Hi everybody, it's Jennifer Labre, and today we're here to make a new card today. This is the card we're going to make. It's called Thinking of You, and it's going to use the Rooted in Nature stamp set. There's the expression there. And we're also going to use the Touches of Texture stamp set. I'm going to use this texture stamp right here. So let's get started. Okay, we'll put that off one to the side. First thing we're going to do is grab a piece of the Bermuda Bay cardstock, cut it in half, fold it for a standard card. Use the bone folder to give it a good crisp crease. And we'll set that to the side for right now. Next thing up, we're going to take a piece of Whisper White cardstock. This cardstock is 5.5 by 3.5. And we're going to use our Stamparatus today. So we'll put that off in the corner there. We only need one magnet today. Just keep the other one to the side. Then I'm just going to grab my Thinking of You stamp. Okay, we're going to place that at the top, right in the middle. We'll grab that. We're going to be using 3 colors of ink today. We're going to use the Bermuda Bay, Pacific Point, and Coastal Cabana. We're going to start with the Coastal Cabana. Just ink that up real good there. And we'll stamp it. That looks pretty good. I'm going to use my Simply Chamois to clean off the stamp. I just started using the Simple Chamois, and I have to say I really like it. It cleans off the stamp really well, even gets in the grooves pretty good. Okay, we're going to move that stamp down to about there. Pick it up again with the Stamparatus. Let's close our ink here. The next color we're going to use is the Bermuda Bay. So we're going for kind of a gradient look here. There's just a few hairs on the ink pad, so I just want to get those off. Okay, we'll ink up the stamp good. Stamp that down. That looks great. Clean it off. As you can see, my Simply Chamois is already really dirty, but that doesn't affect how it cleans, so no need to worry about that. And with the Simply Chamois, all you need is water to spritz on the chamois and clean off your stamps. It's as easy as that. You don't even need to use stamp cleaner. And then finally we're going to use the Pacific Point. Got some of that ink on my finger, but it should be fine. Okay, and there we go. There's our stamping for that part. Just get that cleaned off there. And we'll put that stamp away because we're done with that one. Okay, we're going to take this out of here. And we are done with the Stamparatus. Next up, we're going to take our card base, the front of that. Looks like I didn't fold that very well, but that's okay. And we're going to take their texture stamp from the Touches of Texture. Okay, with that we're going to use our Versamark ink pad and our, let's see, D block. Fits perfectly on there. Okay, we're going to ink it up with our Versamark ink pad, and we're just going to stamp on the outside edges. As you can see, it just gives a little bit of texture. Looks really good, just for interest. And one more. There we go. Perfect. Let's clean off that stamp and put it back so we don't lose it. There we go. Put this ink pad away. Okay, we're going to take a piece of the Pacific Point cardstock. This is 5.5 by 4 1/4. Okay, first thing we're going to do is tear the Thinking of You panel. We're going to tear towards us. It gives it a nice clean tear. I know clean tear sounds like an oxymoron, but lets you have control of your tear a little bit better. And it tears the torn edge face up too. So we'll just tear that a little bit. Okay. And we'll put some snail adhesive on the back of that. Center that. Oh, got it just a little short. I'm going to just cut off that edge a little bit. Must not have measured that quite right. Okay. And then we're going to do the same thing with the Pacific Point. We're going to just tear an edge. Okay. A little bit of snail adhesive. And we will center that on our card base. Perfect. Then for our final touch, we're going to take some of the rhinestones and we'll just put 3 of those on there. Now this is a pick-me-up tool that I have from an old silhouette I used to have, but I have found out recently, if you are interested in a tool like this to pick up your rhinestones and beads and things, that Stampin' Up! Is coming out with a new one in the holiday catalog. So there's a little heads up for you. And there we go. And there's our card. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. For more information on all the products used, you can check out my blog at jenniferlabre.com. And as always, if you don't have a demonstrator and you're looking for one to buy these products, I'd be happy to assist you in any way that I can. If you need a catalog, just head to my blog at jenniferlabre.com and request one. It's as easy as that, and I'll get one out in the mail to you. Hope you have a great day. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.